Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best CV axle puller is probably one of the most important tools you will ever need if you are a car enthusiast or a professional mechanic who works on vehicles regularly, because without the right tool, removing a CV axle can be a frustrating and potentially damaging experience, and this video will help you choose the best CV axle puller for your needs, by reviewing the top models available on the market and highlighting their key features, pros, and cons. Number 5. OMT Inner CV Axle Puller Tool Set. This comprehensive tool set makes removing CV joints and axles a breeze. It's designed for a quick and easy repair, saving you valuable time and effort. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn CV joints. This set provides the leverage you need for smooth, damage-free removal. It's not just for CV joints. The 7-pound slide hammer is versatile enough to handle various automotive tasks with its 5/8 to 18 threading. Built from high-quality AISI 1045 medium carbon steel, it's designed to withstand the rigors of automotive repair. The heat treatment ensures long-lasting durability. Specifically designed for Ford Taurus and Mercury Sable models from 1986 to 2021, it ensures a precise and secure fit for efficient removal. It's the perfect solution for your front-wheel drive axle needs. The heat-treated and blackened or chrome-plated components offer superior corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term use and performance. What we like. It comes with a powerful slide hammer, ensuring effortless removal. Its durable construction guarantees longevity. If you own a Ford Taurus or Mercury Sable and need a reliable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Good and strong tool did exactly what it was intended for. Didn't buy this for a CV joint. I used it with a bearing puller attachment which worked much better than the homemade abomination a friend threw together. For anyone who does work on their own vehicles, either cars or trucks or UTVs, knows the struggle of trying to get a CV axle out when it has been well used. This tool was so nice getting the CV axle out of the front of my 2007 Ram 1500. The larger forked and worked very well, and it only took 7 slides of the weight to pop the axle out. No bloody knuckles and no swearing. Number 4. Sunluway 12020 Axle Popper Kit. Tired of struggling with complicated tools that risk damaging your axles? This kit makes removing CV shafts quick and easy, saving you time and frustration. This kit is your solution for efficient and safe CV axle removal. It's designed for most front-wheel drive vehicles. It's built with high-strength hardened steel for durability and long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for many jobs to come. The wedge-shaped design ensures even pressure on both sides of the shaft for safe and easy removal. No more hammers and bars. Just insert it and tap the end, it's that simple. This essential tool will quickly become indispensable in your workshop. We stand behind our product. If you encounter any issues, contact us for premium support and utilize our 12-month warranty. What we like. This tool makes CV axle removal a breeze, saving you time and effort. The high-strength steel ensures it's built to last. If you prioritize ease of use and a safer alternative to hammers and bars, this is your best bet. What people say. The wedge fork works perfectly to remove the CV shaft. This tool did it though. Just took the tool that was tapered at the end and pounded it down with the hammer, then hit the end on the side with the hammer and pop it out. These tools made it much easier to remove a half shaft, and the car is on jack stands. The compact design allows for work in limited space. Number 3. CTA Tools 1040 CV Joint Puller. This adapter is designed for easy removal of CV joints. Its wide opening makes it compatible with a variety of vehicles. With a 63.5 mm opening, it fits many different makes and models. This ensures a secure and proper fit. It's perfect for Ford F-150s from 1997 to 2017, as well as other vehicles like the Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator. Not sure if it fits your vehicle? Check the dimensions in the product image to confirm compatibility. It features a 5/8 to 18 threaded hole, so it works with the CTA #A490 puller and other standard tools. This makes the job easier. It's made from forged steel with a black finish for long-lasting durability and corrosion resistance. It's built to last. What we like. Its wide opening ensures compatibility with a variety of vehicles. This adapter is a must-have for those working on Ford trucks and SUVs. If you need a tool that fits many vehicles, this is the one for you. What people say. Product was perfect and I couldn't have finished the DIY auto repair job without it. 1 or 2 whacks and the axle pops right out. This popped it off with 2 light hits on the slide hammer, perfect fit and quality product. Number 2. ABN front-wheel drive axle pulley. Replacing or repairing your constant velocity, CV, axle joints is now easier than ever. This tool is designed to pull joints with hidden retaining rings from front-wheel drive vehicles, saving you time and effort. It seamlessly attaches to your slide hammer, giving you the extra torque needed to remove even the most stubborn axle shafts and water pumps. Make sure your slide hammer has 5 8-inch x 18 threads for compatibility. Simply attach it to your slide hammer, position it around the shaft, and use the hammer to pull out the axle. Adding lubricant will make the process even smoother. Unlike other methods, this tool focuses torque to prevent damage to the roller bearing inside the joint. It's a safer, more controlled way to remove CV joints. Made with a heat-treated design and a black oxide finish, it's built to withstand wear and tear. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to rust and corrosion. This versatile tool is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including those from 1986 to present day. Check the specifications to confirm compatibility with your specific vehicle. What we like. This attachment enhances your existing slide hammer for efficient CV axle removal. Its design prevents damage to your vehicle. If you already own a slide hammer and want a safe and easy way to remove axles, this is perfect for you. What people say. I bought this to make it easier with CV axle removal for my front-wheel drive 2008 CR-V. It worked like a charm on the passenger side as I couldn't access below with a pry bar but had clearance from above and used this with my slap hammer and it popped right out. I bought this tool knowing that some people had to modify theirs to fit around their specific vehicle's CV axle. With a bench vise and an angle grinder, I was able to widen the U to approximately a 52.5 mm opening which slipped around the axle perfectly. Modified or not, the tool is sturdy. It fits my slide hammer perfectly. I own a Chevy Cruze turbo diesel with a 2-piece passenger side axle. There is exactly one way to remove the axle on this car, and it involves using a tool like this. But this one tool worked with a single blow of the slide hammer. Just went pop and proved I had wasted an entire day of trying to get this axle out without it. Number 1. Inner CV Joint Puller Kit. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn CV axles. This kit makes removing and installing axles a breeze, protecting your vehicle's components in the process. It's built tougher and larger than standard tools. Its substantial weight and length generate twice the pulling force, ensuring efficient and reliable performance. The ergonomic handle is curved and provides a large, comfortable grip, making the job easier and less tiring on your hands. This kit comes with both 63 mm and 48 mm CV joint forks, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of vehicles. They're designed for a secure and easy fit. Everything you need is included: a heavy-duty slide hammer, 2 joint forks, a manual puller, nuts, and a handy carrying case. Plus, it's backed by a 12-month warranty. What we like. This heavy-duty kit provides superior pulling power and includes multiple adapters for various vehicles. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use. If you need a powerful and versatile tool for various CV axle removal tasks, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It made a hard job easy. Worked awesome. It removed the axle in less than 30 seconds. It will save a lot of time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.